Sam at My Financial Friend suggests that cryptocurrency innovation is getting banned in the US, citing recent news of the SEC going after crypto exchanges and possibly pushing Coinbase to leave the country. He argues that the SEC's lack of clarity on what constitutes a security in the crypto space is causing more harm than good. Sam and My Financial Friend also points out that other countries like the UAE and Bhutan are more pro-crypto and embracing crypto innovation. However, he shifts the topic to highlight Clean Spark, a security that has been doing well due to its Bitcoin mining activities. Here's where I differ from him. While it is true that the SEC has been going after some crypto exchanges, it is important to note that this is not the same as banning cryptocurrency innovation in the United States. In fact, the SEC's actions can be seen as a positive step towards creating a more legitimate and secure market for cryptocurrencies, which can ultimately benefit investors and the industry as a whole. The SEC's actions are aimed at ensuring compliance with existing security laws, which is necessary to protect investors and prevent fraud. However, it is also important to acknowledge that the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still evolving, and there is room for debate and discussion around how best to regulate this emerging asset class. It is also worth mentioning that the US has been at the forefront of regulating cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, with several government agencies working to establish clear guidelines and regulations. However, there is still much work to be done in this area, and it will be important for regulators to strike a balance between promoting innovation and protecting investors. As for other countries being pro-crypto, it is important to keep in mind that each country has its own regulatory environment and risk tolerance, and what works for one country may not work for another. While some countries have become more lenient towards cryptocurrencies, others may have stricter regulations that can make it difficult for businesses to operate in that market. Finally, while Clean Spark may be doing well currently, it is important to do your own research and consider the risks involved with investing in a volatile, speculative asset like Bitcoin. It is important to have a well-diversified portfolio and to only invest in what you can afford to lose, as the cryptocurrency market can be very unpredictable and subject to sudden fluctuations.